do. Shake that shit. I tell you what you do. You gotta bounce that ass till you can't no more. Make your ass hit the floor like your legs is broke. Hit that big old booty girl and scrub the ground. You can do it up and down, around and round. As long as that pussy ain't stiff, dancing with all the players, look at that shit like a strip at a club in the ATL. Little bitch tore it up and started raising it. I remember Maddie City before the freaking, for the police started all that weak shit. All the big hoes getting loose with it. All the skinny hoes, let a nigga fuck tonight. Damn right, bitch, fuck my wife. You my slut for life. You know all I do is count that cash. I won't charge you as long as you bounce that ass. Come on. Shake that shit. Twerk that monkey. You know what to do. Bounce that ass, girl. Bounce that ass, girl. Bounce that ass, girl. Shake that monkey, bitch. Come on. Hey, yo, who know the words of this song? I go on and on. I must have superpowers about 220. Get a calculator, do the math. I made 1,000 songs to make it move your aim. For the last 300 months, I made 16 up with me on the front and they bar. Where you get your beats? I heard